try one more time. We'll give you some, but don't throw it.
Hey, Daniel. Here. Don't throw it. You gotta eat it. Put it in your mouth. Okay, no more. No. Give it to Daniel. Eat it. No.
No, we don't throw it. We eat it.
We eat it. That's right.
Yeah. Oh.
Nice job, Kara. That's how you do it. You eat it. Daniel, no more food.
Give him a piece of watermelon, Kara.
Give me.
Give him a piece of your watermelon.
Stop. No. I won't.
Kara, give it to Daniel.
One is for everyone.
I'm going to give one of your pieces to Daniel. Daniel, eat it. Put it in your mouth. There you go.
There you go.
We tried again.
Yum.
Okay, now I'm going to give you one. Now you put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth.
Oh, good. Nice job.
Smush it.
And we throw it.
Yeah, no more throwing it.
Just eat it.